Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about legit ways to make money from home. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, we're going to talk about 5 legit ways to make money from home. The first one is to become a medical coder. You can do this online. You can get your degree, and I saw you can get it in 12 months or less. And the forecast for this job is great. It's expected to grow like 13% until 2026. And I saw the median salary is like $36,000 a year. So it's a great way that you can make money from home. The second one is to become an independent agent at nextrep.com. If you go to the website here, you can see that you can work at home as an independent contractor. That is if you like sales and customer service. So that is what that is about. You can go here and find out more. The third one is you can actually rent your car. Of course, you would have to figure out the logistics of not having a car. If you have an extra car, I guess it would work, or if you wanted to ride your bike. But anyway, you can list your car and get paid for it. So you just click on list your car, and they've got an earnings calculator here. So I'm going to put in what I drive, a 2010 Prius. Of course, the nicer cars, you're going to get paid more. And I live near the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And this is just based on like if you would have 16 days per month booked. So I assume this is kind of like having an Airbnb, except you're renting out your car rather than your house. So you could probably say, you know, what days you didn't need it. But you could earn like, or I could earn $23 a day, or about $380 a month. So that's another option for you. The next one is you can deliver packages with AmazonFlex.com. I know I order things from Amazon constantly because I have Amazon Prime. So they're always looking for people to deliver these packages. And most drivers earn between $18 and $25 an hour, so it's a great way to make extra money from home because you can set your own schedule, kind of like Uber. And so this is, like I said, I think this is a really great way. The fifth one is you can become a mystery shopper at callcenterqa.org. Now, you're not going to make as much with this, but it's just another way that you can make money from home. So what you do is you have the calls that you're on are anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes long, and you're going to complete a telephone mystery shop, and then you're going to do an online feedback, and they'll pay you $5 to do that. And they do pay out in 7 business days or less, so that's pretty quick. So that isn't as much, but it's a pretty easy job to get paid. So those are the 5 legit ways to make money from home. Just wanted to share those with you in case you guys didn't know about these. Also, if you have any legit ways that you're making money from home, not starting a business, but just working from home, leave them in the comments below the video so other people can learn some other ways that they can make money from home. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below, and I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And then if you do want to learn how to make money online, I do have my #1 recommendation. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.